So I'm a man of my word. I'm gonna lick the salt. This is disgusting. This isn't like table salt. This is dried up salt on the lake.
You got your mama's sunshine. You got your daddy's rain. You're like a piece of heaven in a hurricane. And it's bubbling.
We're on our redemption anniversary trip. Also, benefits to COVID. Open seat here.
All day long, right or wrong, you question everything. Why the grass is green, can I stay up late, and why do the bluebirds sing? Sometimes you cry your big blue eyes for no discernible reason. Your point of view, it comes and goes.
And this is our whip for Utah. If it looks similar, it's because we had the same one on our honeymoon in Hawaii, the Nissan Versa. Well, we made it about
a quarter of a mile.
Quarter of a mile, and we already stopped. So that's a cool sign. Utah, props to your Welcome to Utah signs.
You got your mama's sunshine. You got your daddy's rain. You act just...
All right, Amanda.
Oh,
overall evaluation of Red Iguana.
Cool.
Okay, Red Iguana had over 6,000 reviews on Google Maps. It lived up to the hype.
Lisa don't need Dolly or Chagall. You're like a miniature Picasso with your markers on.
Utah. One of the reasons I love you, 80 miles an hour on the highway is amazing. North Carolina, what are we doing? We just got to the Bonneville Salt Flats. Whoa, so cool. Yeah, it's like a rock.
Yeah.
Like you could drive on this.
You totally could have driven on this.
Yeah, we still can. Time to see what the Nissan Versa is made of. Oh. You guys know in a lot of the places I go to, I will do food reviews, give you guys kind of a review, taste test sort of thing. And out here at the Salt Flats, the only thing to review is this salt coming at you. Ugh. How does everyone like my world shirt here? Courtesy of Pat. Pat, if you're watching this, shout out to you. I'm going to do a cool walking compilation with this thing on everywhere we go in Utah. All the national parks started here at the Salt Flats. What do you think of my wardrobe choices for this trip?
It's nice.
Nice? That's it? I look like an icon. A Utah icon.
You do. You look like those blow up world maps because it always fills with air. And so you look like one of those, you know what I'm talking about? Like blow up world map things, globes.
Oh, actually I do know what you're talking about.
Yeah, and you like play with it.
Yeah, like it was used as like for silent ball in school. I'm Amanda's Instagram husband now. Supposedly some speed world records have been hit out here in cars, so we're gonna test the Nissan Versa. Let's see how fast we can get to 100. Oh, look at that giddy up. Well, it's starting to get a little chilly out here, and that is a wrap. Day 1 of Utah. All right, if you're ever in Salt Lake City, you should take the 2-hour drive out to the Salt Flats. I think we even got here quicker because it's 80 miles an hour on the interstate, and it is beautiful. I'd give yourself like 3 hours out here at least.
Over and out.
Over and out. Can you film?
Yeah.
What's that dance again?